Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you are experiencing like this error message on WhatsApp, then what to do? So follow my video instructions. In this video I will show some simple steps and hopefully this problem will be solved. So let's get started. Step 1. If you are encountering that you need the official WhatsApp issue, then you can try disabling the Play Protect feature on your Android device. For that, open the Play Store app, tap on the profile icon. Tap on Play Protect. Tap on Settings icon at top right corner. By default there will be two options enabled. Disable both of them. Step 2. Now you need to clear WhatsApp cache only. For that, go to your Android settings. And then go to Apps or App Management or App List according to your device settings. Now find out WhatsApp and tap on it. And then clear cache only. After that, check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, follow the next step. Step 3. Press and hold on the WhatsApp. And then go to App Info. And try to uninstall WhatsApp from your device. And then reinstall WhatsApp from the Play Store. Please note that uninstalling WhatsApp may lead to delete your chat data. After that, again check if the issue is resolved or not. Step 4. If none of the above steps resolve your issue, then you can contact the WhatsApp Help Center for further assistance. For that, open the official WhatsApp website. And go to Help Center. Click on the Contact Us option. Provide your phone number, email address, and specify the platform you are using. Here describe the problem you are facing in detail. Hi support team, I recently received an error message on WhatsApp when starting. You need the official WhatsApp to use my account. However, I am using the official version. Can you please help me with this issue and guide me on how to resolve it? After that, submit it. You will get feedback within 24 hours from WhatsApp team in your email. If possible, they will solve it. Or if they can't solve it, then they will give you direction as to what caused the problem and how to solve it. So this is how to fix. You need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications option.